Hello, my name is Juan Guerrero and I'm going to be showing you a project, the home automation using LDR photo sensor. I'm going to use this breakboard. Right here in the red line tells you that all these holes right here are on the same line, and the same goes for the blue on this side. So this means all of these run on the same line. So if I put power through here, all of these should be live. These are on the same line going across. But once you go side to side, they are not on the same line. So we'll go ahead and put this here. And first I will be connecting my 5-volt resistor. This is important because we will be using a 9-volt battery, so as to not fry the LED. We'll have this set right here. And I'm going to be using this red line as my live voltage.
Say it again. I'll be using, say it again, that part.
I will be using this red line as my live voltage. This is where the power will be running through, and this blue line will be my ground, or my 0 voltage. So with the resistor here, I will be using this long red wire as my jumper, and I will connect it to the same line right here as the resistor, but I will set it up over here, and this is where the voltage and the current will go through. And then I will set up the LED. It has 2 legs, one short, one long. The shorter leg is for the ground, and the long one is for higher voltage. So it's very important that we put this correctly and put the long leg with the red wire and the short leg in another area right there. And then I will be connecting this blue wire as my ground. It will go on the same section as the short leg and be on my blue line, which is my ground. So you have this set up right now. Next I will be using this LDR. This is what will allow the current to pass through when there is low light and close the circuit when there is a good amount of light. Both legs are the same, it does not matter which one you use. So I will put one on my live over here and the other on my ground. And I'm just going to fix this like here. So you have your circuit right here, and as I said, red will be my live voltage, which will be right here, and blue will be my ground. And then I will be using the Arduino kit, which on the side has the labels for what you're supposed to use. So it does have a 5-volt connection and a ground connection. So I will be connecting the 5 volts to the red and the blue to the ground. So you're all set up to go with your Arduino kit. Next I will be using a 9-volt battery and this connection right here. This would be used to power the Arduino kit. So now that you have your battery here, you just connect it to your Arduino kit and the circuit should flow freely. And as you can see, the power does flow into the LED and does power it. And you can see that if you increase the light, it does power off. So I will turn off the light just so you can see it a little better. It is bright, turned on, but once we increase the light, it turns off. This is due to when the light is on, the resistance lowers, causing the current to run towards the ground. And that is how you set up the home automation LDR and photo sensor.